Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Lara Homestyle Cooking. Well, today I'm going to prepare chicken curry leaves gravy. It's going to be a different dish and a tasty dish also. The ingredients are two medium size onion, thin sliced, and two medium sized tomatoes, and a handful of curry leaves. Start cooking now. I'm adding coconut oil here. The oil is hot. I'm adding the curry leaves here. Just fry it nicely. Well, I have removed the curry leaves. Now I'm adding these two tomatoes. We need to add it directly here. Just fry it in the same oil, coconut oil, for around 5 minutes. So in this stage, we can just remove it, and once it is cool, we can just blend it in a mixie. Well, I'm going to blend these curry leaves here. The fried curry leaves, we need to blend it without adding any water. Well, I'm going to add very little oil here. I'm adding the onions here. Mix it nicely. Well, you can see the onions are in golden brown. In this stage, I'm going to add 1 large tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder here and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give a good mix. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder here and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Well, I am adding the tomatoes here. I have blended it in mixie. Give a good mix. I am adding some salt to taste. Well, I am going to close the lid for 5 to 6 minutes. Let me check now. You can see the tomatoes cooked very well. So in this stage, I'm going to add the fried curry leaves here. So I have made a powder of it. I'm going to add it here. Let me mix it nicely. I'm going to add the chicken here. Mix it nicely. Well, I'm adding half a glass of water here. Mix it. I'm going to close the lid for around 8 minutes. Let me check now. Well, you can see, very tasty dish. This chicken gravy. Do try this. It in a different way. Curry leaves is also one of the ingredient in this chicken gravy. Definitely do try this. It's a very tasty dish. You can use it for chapati, rice, anything. Now the chicken is cooked very nicely. Well, I'm going to remove it in a bowl. You can see a delicious dish. Chicken curry leaves gravy. Looks very yummy and taste also very yummy. You can have it with chapati, rice, pulao, anything. It's a gravy type. Do try this in your home. As I told you earlier, curry leaves have more benefits. It's good for health also. By blending it in a mixie, as I told you, like how I fried in a coconut oil and then I blend it in a mixie. So you can try like that. It's a very tasty dish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your Lara Homestyle Cooking.